The first place that I can remember well is a large pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water in it. Some shady trees leaned over it, and rushes and water lilies grew at the deep end. Over the hedge on one side, we looked into a plowed field, and the other, we looked over a gate at our master's house, which stood by the roadside. At the top of the meadow was a plantation of fir trees, and at the bottom, a running brook with steep banks. While I was young, I drank my mother's milk, as I could not eat grass. Now the black booty is saying, when he was young, fed he fed only his mother's milk because he could not eat grass. In the daytime, I ran by her side, and at night I lay down close by her. In daytime, he went where his mother goes, and at night he slept with her. When it was hot, he used to stand up by the pond in the shade of the trees, and when it was cold, we had a nice warm shed near the plantation. Now the black beauty is saying, when it was hot, we means his mother and he. They stood near the pond and in the shade of the trees. And when it was cold, we had a nice warm shed near the plantation, because in their meadows there were lots of trees, and there was a warmth in the meadow, and in the cold they spent their time there. As soon as I was old enough to eat grass, my mother used to go out to work in the daytime and come back in the evening. When I grew older, जब मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया और मैं घास खाने लगा और I was able to eat grass, my mother started to go out to work in the daytime, and she came back in the evening. There were 6 young colts in the meadow beside me. मीडो में मेरे अलावा और 6 कोल्ड्स थे, और भी 6 घोड़े थे. दे वर ओल्डर देन आई वॉज. सम वर नियरली एज लार्ज एज ग्रोन अप हॉर्सेस. और वो सब वो मुझसे बड़े थे. कुछ तो इतने बड़े थे कि वो पूरे बड़े घोड़ों की तरह दिखाई देते थे. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज ब्लैक ब्यूटी, एंड this is another colt who lived in the meadow, and he was older than black beauty, and he is just like a grown up horse. I used to run with them and had great fun. We used to gallop together round and round the field. मैं उन घोड़ों के साथ दौड़ता था, और we had a great fun, and mostly we गैलोप का मैंने अभी आपको मीनिंग बताया था कि जब घोड़े तेज़ दौड़ते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड गैलोप. एंड वी गैलोप टुगेदर राउंड एंड राउंड द फील्ड एज हार्ड वी कुड गो, और वी गैलोप सो फास्ट as we could. Sometimes we had rather rough play, for they would frequently bite and kick. Frequently means mostly, repeatedly. समटाइम्स हम क्या करते थे कि हम कभी कभी रफ प्ले भी खेलते थे, जो कि अच्छा नहीं होता था. कि what did we do? We mostly we bit and kicked each other.